just invite you, we'll go into a brief time of meditation here. So I invite you, if you're comfortable, go ahead and close your outer eyes. Feel the seat that is supporting you. If your feet are on the floor, maybe wiggle your toes a little bit and just feel supported and feel the effortlessness of being held. So we're in that space of recognizing the one presence, one power, all God, all good, that supports us and that carries us, that gives us everything we need in this life to be able to navigate step by step as we are ready. And so in this space, we know that it is God that is that breath through our lungs that breathes us, that it is divine love and divine life that courses through our veins, that pumps our hearts, that keeps us going, reminding us that that we are alive and there's so much for us to do and so much that wants to be revealed. And so we return to the spiritual practices of prayer and meditation because it acts as an anchor, grounding us just as we are seated, just as we are standing, just as our feet are on the floor, whatever position we may be in. We allow ourselves to feel that connection to spirit, to feel that connection to source, and be held in oneness. So I invite us, as we continue to sink deeper into these moments we have together, we take a moment to breathe a few breaths and to hear whatever answer it is that we need in our lives right now. We invite that power. We invite that wonder. We invite that presence to speak that word or those words to our heart, to our soul. Let us listen now as we breathe to that still, small voice. With every breath we breathe, we give and receive love. With every breath we breathe, we're reminded to be still and know that God is God, that we are divine, and that everything that we need is within us. And so as we return to this time in the present moment, begin to bring yourself back to this moment, perhaps even open your eyes gently and observe the amazing faces that are on this screen that the universe said they need to get together. This is the community today. We take that with us in love, in light, and we let it be. And so it is. Amen.